Welcome in our YouTube channel Power Within Us. You know who is the richest people in the world and his success story? Let's know. Warren Buffett is one of the richest people in the world. He is worth over $80 billion and he is considered as one of the most successful investors in the world. Do you want to know about the Buffett formula for being successful? Warren Buffett began showing interest in business and investing from a very young age. He was inspired by a book he borrowed from a public library when he was only 7. 1000 Ways to Make $1,000 billion. By the age of 12, he read every book he could find about the business and investing. His childhood was marked by his burning desire to learn how to make money. As a child, he was doing many jobs. He was washing cars, delivering newspaper, he sold chewing gums, Coca-Cola bottle, golf balls and stamps. He also worked in his grandfather's grocery store. And he used all of his savings to buy a pinball machine and start his first business. He and his friend bought a used pinball machine for $25, which they placed in a local barber shop. The idea was the customers to have fun and play while waiting for the haircut. And it was an instant hit idea. The first week they earned $25, enough to buy another pinball machine. Within months, Buffett had pinball machine operating in barber shops across the city. The business started for $25. After a year, was sold for $1,200. Warren Buffett was interested in stock even as a kid. At the age of 11, he went into the stock trading business and invested everything he even earned from the age of 6 to buy his first stocks. When he was a teenager, he was highly inspired by a book called The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The book tells the importance of not making emotional decisions in business. When he was only 14, he bought his first land. At the age of 15, he made $175 monthly delivering newspapers. His love for business was growing more and more each day. He found his passion and he doesn't want to go to college. But his father insisted because he rejected by Harvard Business School. Buffett studied at Columbia University after learning that his idol, the author of the book that changed his life, Benjamin Graham, was teaching there. He was engaged to learn from his master. Buffett loved the book. It was only changed my investment philosophy, but he really changed my whole life. I did be a different person in a different places. Had I not foreseen that book. After graduating, Buffett asked Graham to work for him for free, but Graham turned him down. Buffett was sad and disappointed, but he does not give up on his idea. So he would mail investment idea to Graham every month for years. Finally, one day, Graham wrote back, "Next time you are in New York, came and see me." If he was not persistent, probably he would have not become the business grad he is today. Warren Buffett's year of study under his mentor paid off. Now he became one of the most successful investors in the world. He is worth more than $80 million. He also became one of the greatest philosophers of all time, having pledged to give away 99% of his fortune to charity. Let's know what is the Buffett formula for being successful and apply it in your life. First and most important, going to bed is smarter than when you wake up. Most people just don't care what they do at home after a long day. They go to work, came home, relax on the couch, watch TV until they go to bed. And this habit is not doing anything good for you. You just do so much better. You can do so much better than that. So why don't you try to wire your brain differently? For example, one of the best way to learn and improve every day is through reading books. Warren Warren Buffett spent 80% of his day reading books and thinking. And as he knew, his life was changed by only one book. Try to improve yourself every day. As Hiroshi Mikitani, CEO of Rakuten, said that this is the concept that really excited me. Because I believe there is so much untapped potential in people. Asking someone to become a genius overnight is not reasonable. But if you told that person improve a little bit every day, what would those look like over the course of a year, 10 years, an entire career? The difference is strategy. The strategy of different people is different. So the first step is developing a daily habit of education through reading or audiobooks. And second way to become a success is associate yourself with high-grade people. One of the best things you can do in life is to surround yourself with people who are better than you. If you are around high-grade people, you will start acting like them. If you hang around with people who behave worse than you, pretty soon you will start being pulled in that direction. That's just the way it seemed to work. Hanging out with people who have more knowledge and more experience can help you learn and grow in way you can imagine. You are the average of the people you spend the most time with. By spending time with more successful people, you developed and earns a passion to improve yourself and strive for your greatness. It will motivate you and inspire you to make a positive change. Surround yourself with people who are better than you. Third way to success is invest in yourself. This is the most powerful way. The most famous investor, Warren Buffett, said that the best investment you can make in yourself. You get exactly one mind and one body in the world. So invest in yourself emotionally, physically, and spiritually. The best thing is, if you invest in yourself, nobody can take it away from you. So take care of your mind and body. Build good relationship. Build your confidence, your knowledge. When you decide to become the best version of yourself, when you decide to love yourself first and be happy, things will start to change. You will transform your life the moment you decide that you can have it all. Become the success story everyone is talking about. I hope you will try to apply this success mantra in your life and try to improve yourself day to day.